In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify data to Looker Studio. By the end, you'll have your Shopify store feeding data directly into a Looker Studio report so you can analyze sales, products, and performance in one place. First, open Looker Studio, which some people still see labeled as Data Studio. From the homepage, open the report you want to work with by selecting Report. If the report opens in view-only mode, switch to editing by clicking Edit at the top. Editing mode is important because you'll be adding a new data source. Next, add your Shopify data. Click Add Data, which opens the connector gallery. In the search bar, type Shopify. You may see multiple Shopify connectors from different providers. Choose the one you plan to use and review its description and required permissions so you know exactly what access you're granting. After selecting the connector, you'll be prompted to authorize access. Click Authorize and follow the prompts to allow the connector to work with Looker Studio. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you use for your reports and that you're comfortable with the permissions requested. Now, connect your Shopify store. Click Connect Shopify Store and you'll see fields for your shop name, client ID, and client secret. Enter your shop name exactly as it appears, typically the subdomain without extra prefixes or the admin path. Then paste your client ID and client secret from your Shopify app credentials. These are sensitive, so keep them secure and never share them publicly. If you're unsure where to find them, check your Shopify admin under your app's settings and confirm you're using credentials with the correct API scopes for the data you plan to report on. Once everything is filled in, click Connect Shopify. The connector will verify your details and establish the link. After a successful connection, Looker Studio will load a preview of the available fields. This is where you can confirm that key tables and metrics like orders, revenue, products, and customers are available. From here, your report can start using those fields immediately in charts, tables, and scorecards. If you run into an error at this point, double-check the shop name format, ensure the client ID and client secret are current, and verify that your app has the necessary API permissions. A quick refresh after updating credentials often resolves connection hiccups. That's it. Your Shopify data is now connected to Looker Studio, ready for analysis in clean, shareable dashboards. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.